So you may have seen ChatGPT 5 just getting announced, and you might be trying to figure out how to get access to it. Now, it's actually quite interesting because there's not really a switch that you do, there's not a button you click. It automatically changes in the background. So, some ways you can verify that you're on the latest version of ChatGPT is to go through, and if you want to switch to ChatGPT 5, if you're using the application, make your way over into your Apple App Store or your Google Play Store, and you want to download and update the ChatGPT app. So make sure that when you click on it, it's updated to the most recent version of ChatGPT. That's number one. If you're on the website, just refresh the page. Now, when you're ready, the next thing you're going to want to do is to make sure that you've basically signed in to an account. You don't have to go through and you don't necessarily have to have the Pro or Plus account, but you have to make sure that you've signed into some sort of an account. Then what you can do is you can start asking ChatGPT things. You'll notice that the model changer is not there anymore unless you have the Plus or Pro model. There's no way to switch over to kind of the older models. By default, ChatGPT 5 is the standard model. If I ask it, what version of ChatGPT am I on right now? You will see that it will basically go through and probably say that I'm still on the older model. So it might say that I'm on ChatGPT free or whatever, right? Now, if I ask it, can you switch over to ChatGPT 5? Watch what happens. Can you switch over to GPT-5 model? You will see that it will basically transcribe it and it will switch over and tell me that I'm already on the GPT-5 model. So you can see this isn't even right because on the website it's different, but it's probably going to tell you that it's already on the GPT-5 model, and that's basically that. So this one's still, I guess, on an older model, but you don't really have to do anything. It'll automatically update in the background. It's probably still getting released in a lot of places, but my computer with the same account is on GPT-5. So that's basically how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.